Today we're at Thompson Speedway to compare our 2021 Callaway Silverado Signature Edition against the 2021 Ram TRX. We're putting it in a head-to-head comparison to see how it does at 0 to 60, see how it does in a drag race, see how it will do in a rolling drag race. I wanted to give a big special thank you to Thompson for allowing us to come on the track, as well as I wanted to give a thank you to George, one of our owners of our Callaway Silverado, and Mike, the owner of the Ram TRX, for letting us use their vehicles today and having some fun. George, what are you expecting to see today?
I'm hoping to take a bite out of the horsepower that Ram puts out and have some fun, so that's what we're really here for.
The Ram does make a little bit more horsepower, about 100 more. Mike, what are you hoping to see?
Well, you have the most powerful factory production street legal truck against Callaway, legendary Callaway engineering. So I think it's going to be close, but looking forward to having some fun as well.
Well, let's see what happens. I know we're going to get you guys behind the wheel at some point. A little bit of hometown rivalry, a little grudge racing. You guys are some friends from a while now, right?
Long time ago. I haven't seen Mike in a long time. It's a nice time to see him again.
Well, we'll see who wins, if it's the Ram homeboys or maybe Callaway's going to take it today. Let's find out and see what happens. Ram, are you ready?
Ready.
Silverado, are you ready?
Ready.
Well, there we go. We had the test. Gotta say, I'm a little surprised. The Silverado did a little bit better than I was expecting against the TRX. But George, what do you think? How do you think it felt?
Well, with the 100 horsepower advantage, when I saw it come out of the hole, I was a little upset. I thought it was going to be a short day for the Silverado, but as time went down the track, the Silverado was able to catch it. So I'm very happy with the performance. Two different trucks, but I'm very happy with the Silverado.
Yeah, 1,000 pounds in weight savings makes it, up for that 100 horsepower. At least that's how it seems. Now you're behind the wheel. How do you think it went?
Well, first and foremost, I want to say thank you to you, Sheldon, and the entire Callaway team for today, and to my friend George. This was a lot of fun, but performance-wise, it launched strong. And as George said, the Silverado caught up towards the end consistently. So glad to see it was a good start, and I think it's a good story. There's a little bit of give and take on both vehicles, but maybe next time we'll take it off-road and we'll see what happens.
Exactly, I think you're right.
Yeah, we can take it off-road. I think it really just goes to show, you have to get the launch down. These trucks are so comparable that, whoever gets that just a little bit better 60 foot gets out in the hole, they're gonna do a little bit better. You know, it's a great thing, and I'm looking forward to see if maybe we'll take them off-road. Maybe we'll put it up against the Charger or the Challenger Hellcat. Who knows, you know? That's something we'll have to definitely figure out. Well, did you have fun today?
Yeah, very much so. Thank you.
Did you have fun today?
Excellent.
I know I had a lot of fun today, so I just want to say thank you for everybody for watching the video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Callaway Cars, our YouTube channel, or follow other social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. And if you would like to take your 2019 through 2021 Silverado and make it to something that can actually compete against the Ram TRX, feel free to give us a call at 860-434-9002 or email us at info@callawaycars.com.